Hello everyone! Today we will be transforming something special, the legend, the masterpiece, the stunning Porsche 911, an icon of performance and design, now getting a custom touch with our supremely dynamic glossy metallic plum purple vinyl. The vinyl presents a luxurious blend of the rich, deep purple shade with a brilliant metallic shine. This high-performance wrap isn't just about looks. Its smooth, durable finish highlights Porsche's design, giving it a premium, unforgettable presence on the road. With the vinyl ready to install, it's time to cut it according to the measurements taken. But before we begin, a few points to keep in mind. Always use a sharp blade to ensure clean, smooth cuts. Hold the wrap cutter firmly parallel to the surface. Avoid pressing too hard as it can cause the vinyl to tear or distort. Cut slightly larger than the required size and trim down for a perfect fit later. Let's take a look at the tools you will need. Safety cutter and knife for precise cuts. Squeegees to ensure smooth vinyl application. Heat gun to help with stretching and adjusting the vinyl around curves. Tucking tool set for installing the film into tight corners, curves, and seams. And lastly, don't forget to wear gloves to protect both the vinyl and your hands. Thorough cleaning of the vehicle is very important. Any dust, dirt, or grease can affect the adhesion of the vinyl. Remove loose dust particles with an air blower, then use an automotive-grade cleaner to eliminate grease and ensure a spotless surface. Lastly, wipe with isopropyl alcohol and water solution. Now that the surface is prepped and ready, remove the backing of the film, align it, and then apply it to the panel. You can lift and reapply to ensure perfect placement. Use a heat gun to make the vinyl malleable and ensure crease-free placement of the surface. Use a squeegee to gently smooth it out as you go. Start from the center and work your way out to avoid trapping air bubbles. Work slowly, take your time with each section to ensure the vinyl adheres evenly and without wrinkles. Use a heat gun when required to soften the vinyl for smooth application. As you apply the vinyl, you might notice air bubbles forming under the surface. Don't worry, that's normal. Our vinyl has air release technology that makes their removal easy. Hold the squeegee at a 30 to 45 degree angle along the surface and push the bubble out towards the edge, applying gentle but firm pressure. Make sure to work slowly, applying small consistent strokes to move the air pocket out. Once the main surface is applied, it's time to seal the edges for a professional look. Cut extra film over the edges with a sharp knife and remove the vinyl. Use a heat gun to mold the film around the edges and then press the vinyl down firmly to ensure adhesion. Be very diligent as sealing the edges properly ensures durability and prevents peeling over time. Use the same method to complete each panel. And there you have it. The Porsche 911 is now wrapped to perfection, combining style and protection in a bold, custom finish.